Alright, everyone, let's talk about bronzer. You know, that magical little powder that can transform your face from a wintry ghost to a sun-kissed goddess in just a few swipes? I mean, who doesn't want that? But let's be real, bronzer can be a bit intimidating. There's a fine line between looking like you just returned from a fabulous beach vacation and looking like you've been rolling in the dirt. So, let's break it down together, step by step, so you can glow without the guesswork. First things first, you need to choose the right bronzer for your skin tone. This is crucial. If you're fair-skinned, go for something that has a softer, more muted tone, maybe a light matte bronzer or one with a hint of shimmer. If you have medium skin, you can get a bit bolder. Look for shades that are warm but not too orange. And if you're darker skinned, embrace those deeper, richer tones that will really pop. Remember, bronzer is meant to enhance your natural warmth, not turn you into a pumpkin. Now, let's talk tools. A good bronzer brush can make all the difference. You want something fluffy but not too floppy. A nice, angled brush is perfect because it allows you to sculpt your cheeks and forehead effortlessly. If you're feeling fancy, you could even use a kabuki brush for a more airbrushed finish. Just make sure it's clean. Nobody wants to mix their bronzer with leftover blush from last week. Yikes. Alright, here's where the fun begins. Grab your bronzer, and let's get to applying. The key to a natural look is to think about where the sun would naturally hit your face. Start with the hollows of your cheeks. To find them, just make a fish face. It's a bit silly, but it works. Dust the bronzer into those hollows with a light hand. You don't want to create a harsh line, we're going for a soft, sun-kissed glow here.